The stock market in India serves as a critical platform for economic growth and development, facilitating capital formation for businesses while providing investors an opportunity to grow their wealth. This dynamic environment connects companies seeking funds for expansion with investors looking to participate in potential profits, thereby driving the nation's economic engine. Through the process of trading shares, the stock market offers liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell stocks easily. This liquidity ensures that investors can exit their investments whenever needed, thus minimizing risk. Additionally, the stock market mirrors the economic sentiment of the country, acting as a barometer for economic policies and market trends. Moreover, the stock market plays a significant role in price discovery, as it helps determine the fair value of stocks based on supply and demand. This essential function informs investors about the collective outlook of companies and the economy, enabling informed investment decisions. Consequently, the stock prices reflect underlying business fundamentals and investor sentiments. The inflow of foreign investments, facilitated by the Indian stock market, contributes significantly to the economy. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs, bring in vital capital, bolstering development projects and infrastructure improvements. As a result, this inflow enhances the nation's global competitiveness and confidence, positively impacting the overall business environment. Moreover, the stock market encourages long-term investments through various financial instruments like mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, making the stock market accessible to a broader audience. By enabling diversification, these instruments help mitigate risks while maximizing potential returns, appealing to both conservative and aggressive investors. The market also fosters transparency and corporate governance, mandated by regulatory bodies like the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. This oversight ensures that companies adhere to strict compliance measures, safeguarding investor interests and promoting trust in the system. A transparent stock market contributes to enhanced investor confidence, encouraging participation from individual and institutional investors alike. Overall, the stock market in India stands as a crucial financial mechanism that propels economic growth, encourages investment, and promotes wealth creation. It embodies the aspirations of companies and investors, driving a thriving ecosystem that connects capital with innovation, economic prospects, and sustainable development.